The iRobot Roomba Combo J9 Plus robot works hard for clean floors, and it only needs a bit of care in return. Let's clean it step by step so it's running like new again in only a few minutes. Remove the dustbin from the Roomba Combo J9 Plus and empty it. Wash it with water, let it dry completely, then place the filter back inside and reinstall the bin into the robot. Check the robot's dual multi-surface rubber brushes and mop pad for any buildup and ensure they are free from blockages. Finally, use the cleaning tool to clean the main brushes and the side brush, removing any tangled hair or debris. To keep your Roomba Combo J9 Plus and its auto wash dock running smoothly, start by removing the dock's cover, taking out the dust bag and replacing it with a new one. Next, pull out the cleaning tray, wash it thoroughly, let it dry completely, and then reinstall it. Make sure to clean the charging sensor as well. If debris clogs the home base charging station, unplug it and remove the robot. Tilt the station back, open the clear tubing at the bottom by loosening the screws, and clear out the debris. Reattach the tubing, tighten the screws, set the station upright, place the robot back, and plug it in again. And that's it! Your Roomba Combo J9 Plus robot is now clean, fresh, and ready to get back to work. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below. See you in the next one.